travellers, reward enthusiasts and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I'll give you an overview of the card, its pros and cons, and my take on that card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Alliant Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card. The Alliant Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card, which has no annual fee, comes with two distinct cashback rates, and it can be either a good or a great choice. Depending on how much extra work you're prepared to put in to achieve the best rate, you'll fall anywhere between the flat rate spectrum of 1.5% and 2.5% cashback. The Alliant Cashback Visa Signature Card had a $99 annual fee in the past, which was 0% only for the first year. But one of the card's upgrades from the previous year eliminated the fee in return for a few other restrictions. Many cardholders will ultimately benefit more from this new structure. When compared to other no annual charge cards, the card's first year value is lacking due to the lack of an introductory APR and sign-up bonuses. But its rewards rate and low costs make up for this by offering outstanding long-term value. It's simple to understand why the card would merit a place in the wallet of someone who spends a lot and wants flat rate rewards to match what you take into account the fact that the card doesn't require the tracking of expenditure categories to take benefit of the 2.5% reward rate. For some customers, the Alliant Signature Card won't quite meet their standards. High spenders with great credit who are prepared to create an Alliant high-rate checking account, maintain a minimum balance of $1,000 in that account, and have at least one direct deposit made to the account each month are the target audience for this offer. For individuals who don't fall under this category, the card will receive 1.5% cashback, which is a rate that is easily surpassed by other cards. It's also important to note that membership in Alliant's credit union is necessary to open both a checking and credit card account. However, anybody may join by donating to Alliant's partner organisation, Foster Care to Success, which makes it simple for anyone to do. There are no bonus categories to remember, which will appeal to those who value simplicity. All you have to do is spend as you normally would, whether you're fulfilling the conditions to get the 2.5% cashback rate or you're in the tier earning 1.5%. No matter what you are purchasing, you will receive the same rewards rate from the card. It might not be as rewarding an option as a 2% cashback card for very large spenders or a tiered rewards card for people who have higher than normal expenses in certain areas because of the $10,000 monthly spending cap, beyond which the rewards rate lowers to 1.5% cashback. The card's cashback earning rate, however, is unrivaled among flat rate cards and is probably worth the work needed to qualify for it for individuals who can achieve Tier 1 standards. Also, keep in mind that in order to be eligible for the card, you'll need an excellent credit score, which is considered to be between 800 and 850. You can be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Alliant Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card. Here are the pros. Number 1, near unbeatable up to $10,000 in monthly purchases will earn qualified accounts, a 2.5% cashback rate. Thereafter, the rate will be 1.5%. Number 2, no foreign transaction fees. Number 3, substantial credit line. Number 4, 0 yearly fees. And number 5, increased awards rate. Number 6, they're cash rewards. Number 7, a reduced continuing interest rate. And lastly, number 8, a market leader in terms of cashback rates. And now for the cons. Number 1, there's no introductory APR offer. Number 2, there's no introductory bonus. Number 3, a companion checking account is required, as well as a minimum daily balance to achieve the highest rate. To be eligible for the 2.5% rewards rate, you must have an average daily account balance of $1,000 per month. Otherwise, you will only receive 1.5% return. Number 4, a membership is required. And number 5, there are no bonus categories. We've heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. To be eligible for Tier 1 rewards, Cardholders must have an Alliant high-rate checking account and maintain an average daily balance of $1,000 or more. The following rates apply to Tier 1 rewards. On the first $10,000 in qualified purchases made during each billing cycle, 2.5% cashback is offered. Unlimited 1.5% cashback on any other eligible purchases that meet the criteria. Rewards for Tier 2 are given out to those who don't meet the requirements for Tier 1 at the following rates. 1.5% cashback is always available on all qualified purchases. When a minimum of $50 in cashback has been accrued and the account is open and in good standing, Alliant permits cashback redemptions. At the 2.5% cashback rate, spending $2,000 on qualifying items will get you $50 in rewards. Automatic redemption options are not available from Alliant. Instead, the account offers the following choices for cashback redemption. Money should be deposited into a bank or savings account with Alliant Credit Union. Or you can obtain statement credits by redeeming cashback. Do not hoard cash prizes for too long. The unredeemed cashback from Alliant has an expiry date, which sets it apart from many other card issuers. Alliant states that cashback received during the December billing cycle expires 4 years after it was earned. Therefore, cashback earned in 2022 that has not yet been redeemed will expire on the date of the December 2026 billing cycle. Although this card does not specifically reward new users, prospective card holders may find that the long-term value provided by its astronomically high cashback rates make it more desirable. The Alliant Cashback card will earn a huge $159 more cashback than a 1.5% flat rate cash return card on the same spend, compared to a 2% cash rewards flat rate card on an estimated average annual spend of $15,900. The high rewards rate of this card is undoubtedly one of its main draws, but it also provides a few more advantages to round out its value to your pocket. Although the rules of the card do not specifically mention that you would receive premium Visa signature privileges, like travel delay or trip cancellation, or even trip interruption reimbursement, you will nonetheless enjoy other advantages, such as debt protection, identity theft protection, purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, travel accident coverage, roadside dispatch, and rental car collision coverage. Overall, I'd rate the rewards as an 8 out of 10. The benefits are also an 8 out of 10. The no annual fee is obviously a 10 out of 10. The Alliant Cashback Visa Signature is one of the best cashback alternatives available for people with excellent credit who spend a lot and don't buy much. The Alliant credit card's unparalleled rewards rate is well worth it, even if you need to join the Alliant Credit Union and keep an eligible checking account open, assuming neither of these requirements worry you. Due to their introductory bonuses, other cashback rewards credit cards might appear more enticing. Nevertheless, it is up to you to decide whether that one-time benefit outweighs the high reward rate of the Alliant Cashback Visa Signature over the long run. It earns some of the lowest rates and fees you'll find while offering what is arguably the largest flat rate cashback of any card on the market. Although the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Card may be able to marginally outperform it, given that there is no spending cap, there are no introductory APRs or sign-up bonuses. Remember that the Alliant Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card is intended for great credit users who are moderate spenders. An alternative cashback card will likely be a better choice for people who don't fall into these categories. The card works best for people who don't enjoy managing rewards programs or keeping track of different spending categories, although it does necessitate knowledge of the $10,000 monthly cap on Tier 1 points earned to avoid losing out on the cashback. Despite the fact that this cap may appear to be adequate, it is crucial to keep this in mind when organising significant projects like home renovations. The Alliant Cashback Visa can be used with other cards to get the most cashback for individuals who don't mind spending a little more time managing several cards or keeping track of bonus categories and rotating categories. In the end, the Alliant Cashback Visa offers one of the best cashback values for people who have expenses that don't fit into typical bonus categories or that are too large to fit within category limits, who require a general use partner card to rely on, or who just wants rewards that are simple to redeem. However, before applying for this card or any other, I advise you to consider every possible scenario. This wraps up my review of the Alliant Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labour of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word. And until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.